Today's kinda boring. Yeah. What do you even do on a boring day lately? Eat. I mean, that's really all I do. I'm kinda lazy as hell. I mean, if you had any food in the world, what would you eat? Watermelon. You rest his ass, motherfucker. Anyways, if you really are so hungry, there's a fridge over there, like, that way, if you want something. Okay. Let's see if there's anything in the fridge. Oh, man. There's only water. I hate water. Why are they always gonna serve water? Wait. What is that door over there? I've never seen that door before. I'm gonna go check it out. Right. Wonder what kind of door this is. No one's answering. Hello? Huh. Maybe I should open it. Hello? Is anyone here? Oh, God. Oh, I got a headache. Well, I always have headaches. Anyways, where's Slowpoke? I haven't seen Slowpoke in a while. Maybe I should call for him. Slowpoke? Slowpoke? Slowpoke! Slowpoke! Huh. Usually he always answers my calls. Maybe I should look for him. Slowpoke? Poke? No, but goddamn, that's a lot of stuff on the couch. Nothing but 2 rooms. Poke? He's gotta be around here somewhere. No one on the bathtub. Toilet? Huh, nothing. He said he was going to the fridge. Slowpoke? 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 Damn! Where could he be? He's not in here. Then, wait. We've never had this door here. It was just like a wall like that. I'm not gonna disturb it. God damn. Where could this man be? I just searched everywhere around the house. Literally outside the neighbor's house, the other neighbor's house, and across from my street. And all of the stuff in here. God, where could he gone? Well, he's thirsty, so he'll probably come back for a drink or something. Might as well chill. Oh God. Man, I just wanted to drink. Where am I?
I hope you like it
here. Excuse me, weird voice. Do you know where I'm at?
Where there's no hope and despair.
What? You're gonna be in here for a while. Okay. I guess I'll sleep right here.